I got this pearled wax sand and it's really cool. So you just pour it into any receptacle and it's like sand, but it's made out of wax. It did not come with wicks, so you want to get wicks separately and put it in whatever vessel you want. Trim down the wick and light it. And that is it. It's the easiest candle you'll ever make. You can add essential oil to it if you want it to be scented. Otherwise, it is unscented. Here, so you can see how it compares to a regular burn candle. This is the coolest part. So it's burned a little bit, and now you just pick up the wick and dust it off. And I'm gonna trim this down. And then shake it smooth again. Put the wick back in and reuse it. This stuff is really cool. I'm going to use the pearled wax for this big bowl. Probably. Oh yeah, perfect. I'll use up. Okay, I'm gonna use my new wick trimmers.